Well, this would definitely be my second favorite gun, seeing as how it's the second one I purchased. Um, in January, it's actually on my birthday, but it is a Argentinian Colt Sistema. You can see there is the good roll marks. Sorry about my camera; it's a cheap one and can't seem to get it to focus. But Okay, there we go. But you can see it has real nice roll marks on it. It's 45 caliber. Basically, it's the uh, 1927 version of the 1911. This one is actually uh, made in 1954, uh, and you can see it was a police issue handgun. This is Policía de la Provincia de Buenos Aires. And there's a serial number. Nice thing is it's a numbers matching gun. Got it for a good price at the gun show. Policía de CRA. You can see it's nice roll marks, all original. Um, very good condition. But only reason it's my second favorite gun is since it was my second. Um, Second one I purchased. But Yeah, you can see it has the original sights there. Barrel is nice. Don't worry, it's unloaded. Um, Original lanyard loop, not bent. It's not one of those cheap Sarco guns either. It's an original. It's original condition. But real nice condition. Um, Everything's in top order on it. A couple blemishes. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, right there at the front of the gun, right there, and right there. It's been used. It's it's um it's not a mint condition gun, but it's in probably about 95% condition. I'd say 90% maybe. Um, but yeah, my second favorite gun.